115, 110. We got to get ready for this eclipse.
All right. Let's get ready.
Uh-oh. Winnie! Look at Winnie's face.
Nope.
Look at her nose. Get her tissue.
Here, I'll use this.
That's mine.
It's alive! Yes, it's alive!
Winnie.
That's my slime,
Come
guys.
on, with me, Winnie.
How you like that?
Here.
It looks really soupy.
I ain't started yet.
Okay, we're going to take Winnie.
I'm about to, though.
So, do you guys have...
Should I make like one huge batch?
Winnie!
Like big?
It's on you, cool.
Crazy.
No, I got an idea. Okay,
What color is this? Red? Oh, no. No.
He fell.
No.
He's dead.
No. I can't just pull it out or I ain't going to get it. I got to move real slow.
Look at these huge bubbles. Okay.
Hey, Elijah, give me a napkin, please, sir.
Can't get this
Alright, guys. Please, add your activator so that I can go on your slime to finish my video. Because I've been live for like an hour.
All right, hold on.
Let me get real.
I dropped the paint in there. Here. Oh, you want to hold those two there? There you go.
Why is it just facing over here?
This is red, right? This is the red one, ain't it?
Yeah. Yep.
Where is it?
That's the classic one.
I'm not.
It's not the neon.
Oh, Lee's adding another color.
Ma, I need you to zip this up.
Just zip it up.
It looks kind of like that. Oh, sorry.
Ew, it's a little bit chunky. Ew, look at that, guys. It looks like someone threw up in a bag. That's what I'm going to have sitting around my house for next year.
Let's see how this gonna look.
Lee's added a little red in his.
Orange.
Red and yellow makes what?
Orange.
Woo.
But who wants red and yellow, mate? Red.
Red, orange, maybe? Hi, Melanie. We're making eclipse slime.
Here you go.
I'm hungry. I'm going to need to eat something.
I mean, I got myself this bowl.
My slime is over here. Let's see how it's doing, y'all. My slime. It's got some type of spell or something on it. It's the eclipse slime because it just went crazy when we were outside with it. Mine is really sticky because I didn't add enough shaving cream. But if you work with it, it's fine. No, huh? Lee is making... We got a few finished slimes here. Yes, I thought that they would just make the slime a couple of times new. They even went and got a gallon jug of slime, of glue. That's a pretty color. Kind of a peachy orange.
Yeah. Like a sunset.
We got some peaches in the
Oh, it
refrigerator.
does look like a sunset.
Like a sunset. Elijah's still in his tie-dyed shirt.
Yep. It's not my tie-dye shirt.
It's
yours,
mine.
Mom.
Elijah's favorite color is pink. Which
All right,
we
I'm
are
about
totally
to get
okay
it
with.
crack-a-lacking. I'm about to get it crack-a-lacking.
All right, let's see. Lee's getting ready to add his activator.
About to get it crack-a-lacking.
Which
I'm
is
gonna
the
start
borax.
with
Mix with water.
5.
I'm
Five.
I'm gonna start with 5. Yeah, I'm gonna start with 5. I'm gonna start with 5.
Lee, he believes in doing it big here. He doesn't care if his slime gets ruined. And it's already going inside the little, like a little butthole, Lee. I don't know what you did to your slime. Maybe I should have it. I don't think Lee's is
I
gonna
knew
turn out
we was
right.
gonna go through one color really quick.
But it's starting to see, guys. It's starting to form a little bit.
I have this color. Okay, boom! I'm about to make me another batch.
It's time for the eclipse. It's 1:15. We're about to clean up. We're not making no more batches.
Yeah.
We gotta prepare. Y'all have plenty of glue.
Still be prepared.
No, come on.
And then we can, like, just start-
Levi.
Please, Mom.
No, you made 4 batches. Save glue for next time. We got to clean up and get ready to go outside and watch the eclipse. Here.
Get that
you
borax
take your
going.
camera. You want the camera?
I need that borax large
Yes,
out.
Levi. So they're counting now.
Don't put too much now.
Oh my gosh, the slime making has to come to an end. A lot of Lee's going in from Marlboro.
That's another one. You can.
3 more scoops.
No, at least I can. Just she's gonna miss out on the clips a little bit. No.
Because it's time to clean up the kitchen. We'll see, but we gotta clean all this up first. See this? You see this spoiled little 10-year-old boy over here acting like he's 2?
Like he ain't already had
Like
a
he
nice
ain't
little
made
evening.
20 slimes and he's got a whole shelf of slimes in his room. Don't be fooled. Enough, you know, those. It's just enough is never enough.
There we go, sugar. It's
And there goes
starting to come together.
Oh, there it is, guys. It's starting to become alive. Ew. It's got a lot of little. Ew, it's got a weird texture. Elijah, I don't know what you got going on with this one.
I'm making butter slime.
See, the first couple times the slime turned out perfect. Then they just started being silly with it, trying different variations. Lee's got a great big ball. Let me touch it. I want to see how. Ooh, it's thick.
I need more borax.
Oh my god.
Tell me what I need.
Lumpy because it's dirty
1,
clay. I could take the clay out.
2. I'm gonna go ahead and
But
get
it'll
the 2.
be taken. Look, no, I took the clay out.
Yeah, you need to be wrapping yours up too, Elijah.
You think I should just take the clay out and not use the clay?
Lee, just making more designs in here.
Because I could take the clay
I'm
out.
trying to
Here's
get it in the
some
middle so I can pick it up and go and start working with it. I'm about to go ahead in a second. So I'm gonna.
Elijah, finish yours up, dude.
Here we go.
I'm throwing this little bit in the trash because I don't want the clay. Oh, this bowl is really cute.
Stevia slime is working. The more you work it, the cooler the slime will be. Huh? Huh? What do you say?
Mine is very
No clue.
It's another.
This is the slime. It's ready. The slime is ready.
Give it a good stretch. We made a big batch.
Somebody give me some tissue. You know how you try to hide. Oh, somebody give me some tissue.
But we know you will point it out
Tissue.
later.
Oh, somebody give me some
Somebody
tissue.
help
Oh.
me. Get, Mom, will you pour the spoon out?
Yeah. All right, guys. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day,
Slime 101.
and we hope you enjoy.
That's how you make
the-
slime, because
And y'all enjoy the eclipse or whatever y'all got planned. Happy Monday. Peace out.
Is this my slime?
All right, let's get this stuff up.
Come on, can I have your white slime? Or do you,
You can have it.
here we go.
you think I should add it to my...
Yeah, we need to get ready for the eclipse, guys.
Yeah.
No, trip.
Excuse
Hey,
me, Lena.
camera right here. Oh, don't look out there, Daddy.
That's my toe.
We don't get looking out the window right here. Let me see.
I've been out there trying to see it. It's cloudy. Look, are you throwing it away?
Hey, look, Mucho, that's my bowl right there. I'm gonna set this right here. How y'all like my
Did
color?
anybody even
Mom,
use
you
this
don't
bowl?
get yours. Mom, you
Did
don't
anybody
get
use this bowl?
Dad.
I ain't
No, that is dead, didn't you? No, no, no.
There you go.
Mom, you want me to add yellow to your slime so yours will be more
It's
colorful?
okay, Elijah. Whatever you want to do.
Huh?
Alright, y'all help me clean this
How you
up.
like my slime, Sugar?
I love it.
Hold it.
Oh. Ooh.
It did feel
It's like Mia slime.
Let me see.
It's heavy.
Mucho, you know you still on?
I'm keeping it on.
Oh, shoot.
Dad, come on.
Hand me all the food coloring done.
Throw this away.
Ooh.
Throw this
We
away.
gotta let the dog
Throw that
in.
away. Wait. Throw this away.
Put it on that napkin.
Ooh.
Can y'all hand me the food coloring?
My slime.
I don't know if this is came from you.
My
Down
slime.
there, Elijah.
My stretchy slime.
Alright, does
Come here,
What
slime.
coloring is that went in that one?
Come here,
That one
slime.
is under there. It's right here. But we don't need this. That's overdone. We already done with that. Oh, fun.
It was.
Now, Elijah, when you finish, you take that slime.
This one.
Let me get this slime right here, slime. Let me get this slime,
Help us
slime.
clean up.
Excuse me, slime.
What time did you say the eclipse, Levon?
Let me get that paper towel, slime. Thank you, slime. You done with this yellow slime? Shaving cream, we got any left for next time?
Yeah, we got a whole bunch left.
All right, good.
Put the top on
That's what I'm looking
Put
for.
the top on them. Man, I done made 3 slimes. I think I done made 4. I made 1, then 2. Yeah, I made 3. And I'm bringing the things back in all the time.
Hey, that's cool. Whatever you gonna do,
You
because
want to clean out my board down with this one?
How many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
are you? Let's go to Bojangles.
We got the
We'll just ride down through. We'll ride to
Mama's
Bojangles.
coming over here at some point to get the dog. You ain't supposed to go in the eclipse. Nobody said I couldn't drive. So, well, I don't know if you can drive.
Oh my goodness, who made the purple one? I did. That feels just like my blue. Wait, yeah, that's mine. And I
Alright,
made
here's
green
y'all
one.
slime stuff. Oh, here's another food coming.
Is there any more slimes?
Oh, Dad's slime is still up here.
I ain't put mine up yet.
I help you. Here, let me get one. I'm almost done. I just need, no, I'm still just working to get the white mix with mine. Because Mama gave me yours tomorrow. Okay, I'm just there. What was it? I'm going to name my slime honey. Who can I do a swirl with? Let me see it. Can I do a swirl with this one? Let me see it. I'm going to swirl with it.
Watch out, guys. Move from the center of the floor.
Here, put it in the bucket.
Slide over, Lash.
Okay.
I need to do some more work to my slime. My slime moving a little too fast. So I'm gonna put some work on that in a few minutes.
Like that one that I had, they had a bowl on it.
Good job, everybody. Come and clean up.
Yeah. Job well
Now
done.
I'm gonna be playing with my slime at the clip.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll hold back to slime. We're probably gonna need another big old one.
I got some more.
They got like 13. We should have made a
Put your slime stuff in
My
there.
next
He
time
about to be
we
up out
need
this
to
jank.
make, we
Just
need to
like-
buy that stuff to make
easy.
stuff glow in the dark.
Oh, yeah.
And make glow in the dark. Look at Winnie.
Him. I have a little dog and that dog. The cat.
What's that?
We out. We ain't out yet?
Bye. Yes, we are.
We are?
No.
Out!
Bye.